Hello kids, how are you? Hope you all are good. So today our video is about trick of double digit table. That means the table of 26, 35, 58, 96. How can you do this table easily? So table of 98. First you have to write the table of 9 and second you have to write the table of 8. I'm going to explain you this trick for with two examples. So please watch the video till end so that you can understand the trick well. So I wrote this first column in red color, second two columns in black color and the last one in blue color, so that I can explain you with the help of colors how to do. So now we are going to start, and one thing you have to take care of, that if the 9 into 1 is 9, so you have to write it as 0, 9, not only 9. So 9, 18, 27 and so on, and 8 table of 8, 8, 16, 24, 32 and so on. I wrote till 10. So first and last, you need not to touch these two columns. We will have to take only two internal columns, like second column and third column. So first you have to write 0 and second number you will write 9 plus 0 is equal to 9, and the last one you need not to touch 8 as it is. So the answer will be 98 into 1 is 0, 9, 8. That means 98. The second one, 98 into 2's. So you have to write 1 as it is, 8 plus 1, 9, and at the end you will write 6. So 196 is the answer. 98 into 2 is 196. This trick you can use in any table, and if you have doubt in any of the tables with this trick, you can write your queries in comment box. So please try this. So this is the answer. You will follow the same trick till end. So I'm going to explain you like 96 into 8, 98 into 8. That means this column 7 ones, 7, 6 plus 2 is 8 and 4 as it is. Like I took an example from the middle. So try this. And now if the internal two column digits, the addition is less than 9, less than 10, you can follow this trick. But what will happen if you will take the example when the internal two column, the addition is more than 10? So I'm going to explain you this trick in next example. Like I took the table of 58. So you have to write table of 5, and in next column you have to write the table of 8. So I again change the colors. When there is the addition is more than 10, I change the colors. I'll explain you then, but we are going to start from here. 0 you need not to touch, 8 you need not to touch. The internal two columns 5 plus 0. So the answer is 0, 5, 8. That means 58 into 1 is 58. Second, 58 into 2 is 1 as it is, 0 plus 1, 1 and 6 at the end. So 1, 1, 6 is the answer. So you can see that I changed the color of 406 and 522. So why I changed the color, I am going to explain you. In this line you can see I didn't write 3 here, but I wrote 4 here, because when you will add the digits 5 plus 5, the answer is 10. So how can you write this? So 5 plus 5 is 10. So you have to take the digit at the ones as it is, like 5 plus 5 is 10. So 0 you will take as it is, but the remaining one, that is, you have to carry over with the first number. 5 plus 5 is 10, so I wrote 0 in the middle, but the remaining one I added in 3. So 3 plus 1 is 4, and internal addition came as 10, so I wrote 0 there and 6 at the end. Now one more time I am going to explain you. 58 into 9. You can see 522. So 5 plus 7, the internal number addition is 5 plus 7 is 12. So 2 you have to write the same, and 1 you will add in the number 4. 5 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So you will write 5. From 12 we took 2, and at the end there is 2. So 522 is the answer. So hope you understood, and if you have any doubt you can write in the comment box. Thank you.